put down some good numbers.
I've never seen so many NSX in one place.
Yeah, crazy race car on the dyno right now. It's got the whole front end off.
What is this thing?
I don't know. Actually, I don't know what it is. It's not NSX. Mr. Mac. Whoa, you're a silver fox now. What happened to you?
Life happened. What do you mean? I get older every year. How do you do it?
So what do you say it was a Pikes Peak car?
Pikes Peak, Reese Millen's old car, 2012 Pikes Peak Challenge or whatever. It's got a Hyundai motor in it, I guess. It's got the HKS profile for the choo-choo.
For the what?
That has like a 8-inch inlet. That turbo is like off a semi-truck, I think. That thing's massive. Tuner's doing his thing. Another 10 wheel horsepower, so he's adjusting the plow. That's just the first two. Hopefully he can squeeze out more. Another 5, another 10.
A few moments later.
So there's a elapse of time.
Yeah, so we had a little hiccup, something happened, so blew some fuse or something, so now we're running it again 2 hours later. Everything's fixed, it seems to be fine, so hopefully we get some more numbers out of it. Alright guys, 336 wheel, a little lower than I was hoping, but we'll take it. It should run a lot better though.
So you can use the full power band now?
Yeah, I feel a lot safer now too, because now the car's tuned.
Gotcha.
Before I was like, I'd let the stock computer figure it out, but that's not always smart to do, because now everything's more optimized, so.
time we start at?
11:30.
And what time is it right now?
It's the end of the day. 5 o'clock.
Hey, but at least you're going home.
At least we're driving home on our own power.
What do you think?
I think the car definitely moves now. It feels a lot faster. All right guys, we just got back from the dyno. There's still some issues with the car, so I'm gonna get that sorted. I'm gonna take it back to the dyno and then see if we can make a little bit more power.
You're saying there's a leak somewhere?
I've taken it to a shop before when I got my oil change, and they're saying it looks like, based on my check engine lights, which are still on, that there might be a leak in my intake manifold. That might be causing a few ponies to be lost. I think on the dyno, the baseline run, the first run we ran, it made 320, and then after loading a few tunes and modifying a few things, HD tuning was able to get 336. So we gained 16 wheel on the dyno, which is pretty significant for an NA car. Definitely could feel that in the car after driving it. All right guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for when we get back on the dyno.
This guy's trying to get in it the whole time.